Hello everyone, welcome to Learn to Cook with me. Today we're making the trending restaurant-style Paneer Butter Masala. It is rich, creamy and super easy to make at home. Now we add the fresh, juicy tomatoes. This is where the magic really begins. Now we let the tomatoes soften, add a spoonful of ginger garlic paste, shake in some chili, turmeric and coriander. Smell that incredible aroma. Let this cool before blending. Now blend it until it's super smooth. That looks absolutely perfect. There you have it, the ultimate comfort food.